Welcome everyone on today's community meet, Metal3 Community meeting. My name is Adam Rosman and I will be your host today. We can skip the introduction as there are only two of us with Kashif today in the meeting. So quickly, just for the sake of the recording, please remember that the meeting is recorded. If you'd like to have the project, you can do so by filtering with the issue filter on project level for issues that have the good first issue or have wanted labels, or if you feel that your organization is willing and able to disclose itself as an official adopter of MetaCube, then you can do that by editing the adopters.md file in the root of the community repository and adding the organization with a short description into the adopters table. It's the same way as others have done before. If you fear that you are facing a CI related issue on your pull requests, but you think it's not caused by your pull request, then please create an issue in the relevant repository and then assign that issue to the MetaCube CI tracker project. You can do it on the right side on the GitHub UI. And other than that, let's check if we have anything new with our incubation in relation to our incubation proposal. Let's see. I don't think so. Yep, it's still the update that was published 2 weeks ago. I also don't know about any other event or activity related to that. And that was all the regular or regular reminders. Because today there are only two of us, I think there's no point going through the proposals and discussion topics. I will just write it down that so, our update about the KubeCon, I think that was not disclosed that MetaCube will be on the KubeCon EU.
Perhaps you can also add the previous discussion topic as not discussed.
Yeah.
So that we carry it over to the next week.
Yep.
I have anyhow gone through that one. I agree to that, but I think it needs more audience so
Yeah,
that
I
we
agree.
can agree on something.
Yeah, I will just quickly show it. Okay, there is also a change just for the sake of the recording. From now on, the release team members are listed permanently and updated when there is a new release team, and when someone has a question, there is an easy reference here to the release cycle tracker. So this issue that tracks release activities within the cycle and then all the members of the currently active release team. Yep, and then the stuff that we wanted to discuss today, at least from Tumo's and my side, and probably from yours, Kashif, was this proposal to modify a little bit the ironic image with a new optional feature that would make it possible to specify custom location for all the different configuration files that are used in the ironic deployment, and that's in order to support the read-only root file system security context of the Kubernetes pods. So right now, if ironic image is just deployed into a pod where this security context feature is enabled, then it would fail. Technically, all the containers are incompatible with this one. So this issue describes and opens up the discussion, but the implementation is already underway. And this issue ties into another one I just noticed today. And I assigned myself, I will be implementing these, that we had this promise to remove the, among others, the keep alive D from the BMO, and there are no blockers anymore. We were just waiting for the 0.9 BMO release, and we have that. So I already started moving this. And while I'm moving this, I will modify the scripts so that it will be compatible with the read-only file system. So this was the
So
two.
this QPLID, where are we now
It's
putting those files?
into the utility repo. There
Oh,
will be,
right.
yeah.
Okay.
It's really a utility image, and there was a agreement in the community that it's fine to
Yeah.
place it there. Yeah.
I just wanted to. I vaguely remembered that we have moved it to utility, but I just wanted to confirm.
Yeah. Yeah, and then but of course this is like I won't accept it right now because I think we need a wider discussion. I also reached out to Ricardo. He said that if he has time, he can check this proposal this week. Let's see. But in any case, I will create a branch and an implementation, and then we can discuss that. But I don't think it conflicts in any shape or form with current use cases. I don't see anything breaking. It's a completely separate option, a different
So
way of
just
deploying.
ways of working question. So when you say proposal, this is not something of an API change, right? So we
No,
don't need
no.
to do it towards the Metal Cube docs first. I think it's still fine
Yes,
to just have
yes,
it. Okay.
yes. No formal proposal. No new. Like it's just a configuration option in the image. So nothing like that. Yeah. And then the other things would have been the just mention it to the community that we will be present on the EU KubeCon with kiosk and lightning talk with at least 2 people, but maybe I hope that there would be others from other organizations who work on MetaCube. We will see. And then there is another thing that based on the voting, uh, the MTM will be held on the 13th of February, but we can check together. Doodle just to be transparent. And today I will close it, and you can see it automatically selects it. So it's 13th of February. That got most of the votes. I will just show because I'm not sure. I don't think it's visible to others, but and also just to be transparent, I will close this whole voting. How can one close this? I wonder. At least just set it to unshared or something. Interesting.
Can you go back to the previous?
This one.
Yeah.
I can delete it.
No, not deleted, but
I can delete.
interesting.
Yeah, it's weird that I cannot just close it.
What is in more?
message participant, export, but these are for the pro users. I can only delete it.
No, yeah. And is there in the edit now, is there any time when it closes something?
No?
It just says add your time,
Yeah.
remove ads and automatic reminders at a deadline, hide participant list. Wow. So there is no way to
Okay. But
unhide, unshare.
yeah, and this is just yeah, okay, but that would be the deadline, but it's for pro users only.
Okay. So you
Uh,
can still edit it after 13th Feb.
yeah, so I think I will cancel, take a screenshot.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And probably then inform in the mailing list that decided.
Then I will inform the mailing list that it has been okay. Well, I can't even take a proper screenshot of this. It's 10 and then okay. I need 2 screenshots at least.
Does it have a print option or anyway? Export maybe? There was an export I
Free,
saw.
yeah, let's see. Or where did you see it? This was
Export is pro. No, in more it was, but it's a pro thing.
okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I will now just delete it. We won't accept any more. Uh, and then I will send the mail today or tomorrow.
Yep.
And then, yep, that was one thing to do. Okay. So these were the agenda points. Do you have anything or should I just quickly check the triage?
I don't.
Okay. And we don't really have much here. I already triaged one today. Um, so that is mine. I discussed this VirtuaI image with 24 Noble. We discussed this a week ago or 2 weeks ago with the community, and
Yeah.
it's inevitable that we need this.
Yeah.
Yes, and then I think I downloaded permission denied, and these others are not really going anywhere, and these are issues reported by one person or kind of disputed issues, and then there is mine, and I will not accept this one. I want community discussion, even though I'm implementing this already. Let's see the feedback. And other than this, I don't think we have much. Let's check quickly the stale. Nothing is stale, very good, and that's all. So basically that's all that we have for today, and I will just comment here. But this needs discussion next week. Okay. So that was all for today. I guess we don't have anything else. Thanks, Kashif, for joining. And until the next week, have a have a good weekend, and let's
Yeah.
meet then. Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.